As a vision for 2045 or further future, as far as India is concerned, we need to build certain advanced analytical and complex problem solving skills in our professionals, politicians, bureaucrats, and those who are responsible for the development of the country. The basic aim is to build an analytically empowered society uh, to carry out the vision. The focus needs to be on a holistic thinking, systems thinking, thinking based on complexity, thinking based on anthropical developments, thinking based on futuristic developments, thinking based on finding uniformity in complexity. It has to be ethical, and of course, the most important component being empathy and the far sight of the future. Relevance is to take up certain exponential challenges of climate change, challenges of erosion of resources from the globe, challenges of AI in future as going to replace human beings in a very, very large way, challenges of misinformation. Today, social media, with its reach and erratic reach, has become a major source of misinformation for most people, and this misinformation creates a lot of impact on human mind, gives rise to things or the thoughts that are not needed, and also futuristic you see misplacement. A strategy deals with the has to be at the national level, institutional level, and university level actions. All these levels are necessary to carry out the vision. The ultimate outcome being that from skill based learning to systems oriented farsight to holistic problem solving capabilities, the capabilities that are going to be relevant to future of the country, future of the society, future of the world, and future of humanity by and large. What we need to do? Launch some national problem solving innovation missions, NPSIMs, for complex issues, embedding systems thinking and scenario modeling in education at NCERT and UGC level. We need to create national analytical decision intelligence framework with Niti Aayog, and also build talent intelligence grid and map this grid to analytical hotspot across all sections of society. At the same time, establish public policy labs at IITs, IIMs for ministry level problem solving. We need to have a futuristic vision for that. Now, what we need to do at university level transformation is kind of a blueprint, creating certain interdisciplinary problem solving labs for real world challenges, integrating elements from sciences, humanities, technology, and almost all disciplines. Integrate problem solving into all curricula enduring to humanities. Introducing mandatory problem solving capstones for final year students of all category of teaching and learning. At the same time, promote institutional culture uh, or institutional analytical culture with dashboards and certain kind of pre-modelings. The gamify learning through scenario games and AI co-stimulators at the same time. Uh, what are governance level provisions? As a university policy draft, mandate complexity and systems thinking as core graduate attributes, right from the basics. These are to be implemented. Policy for interdisciplinary challenge-based faculty-student teams. Implement analytical ethics and accountability charter that can give accountability and answerability to all participants. And incentivize faculty for systems thinking, integration, teaching, and research. Building partnership with AI policy and civic platforms, analytical platforms is equally necessary. How do we implement the framework? What are the tools? We need to have systems modeling, decision intelligence, and behavioral analytics embedded into the whole education system. We need to have AI-driven policy simulation tools for ministries and academia. There has to be collaboration between MOE, MIT, NITI Aayog, AICTE, and universities, and integrate citizen-led analytics via open data dashboards. All information should be open to all participants and align these projects with SDG, G20, and national innovation goals. Uh, we have to be very careful in doing that. And ultimately, if I if you look at the summary of the whole impact of the transformation, then you need at national level from skill-based education to anticipatory workforce foresight. What are the type of people that will be needed in the future? Institutional level from fragmented learning to interdisciplinary analytics. University policy from reactive administration to ethical proactive governance. And impact being ethically empowered decision-making culture. And Vision 2045 goals creating resilience, analytical, and empathic India as a global leader. Thank you very much.